Blox app. The pros, the cons. The Blox app claims to be the all-in-one platform for tracking, managing, and analyzing your crypto portfolio. But does it really deliver what it promises? Let's explore the pros and cons. First, the biggest advantage of Blox is its automation. Instead of manually tracking every crypto transaction, Blox syncs your wallets and exchange accounts automatically. Whether you use Binance Coinbase or a private wallet, it gathers all your data in one dashboard, saving hours of manual entry. Second, it's designed for both individuals and businesses. Crypto accountants, fund managers, and even DeFi users can use it to generate accurate reports, helping with audits and tax filing. This is a major pro in an industry where tracking cost bases and profits can get complicated fast. The third strength is multi-platform access. You can log in from desktop or mobile, and your portfolio stays synced across devices in real time. Plus, the interface is clean and user-friendly even for beginners. But no app is perfect. One of the main cons is that Blox is primarily a tracking tool, not a wallet. You can't buy, sell, or store crypto directly inside it. It's great for insights but not for transactions. Another downside is pricing. While the free version works well for casual users, professionals and businesses may find the paid tiers expensive compared to competitors like Coinstits or Coinly. Lastly, some users report occasional syncing delays when connecting multiple exchanges, especially smaller or regional ones. In conclusion, the Blox app is a powerful portfolio tracker built for serious crypto users who want accuracy and automation. The surprising truth? It won't hold your coins, but it will give you total control over your crypto data. If you care about clarity, compliance, and convenience, Blox deserves a spot in your toolkit.